Hi guys!
Hi vlog! Welcome
Friends
to...
and Abby! I'm with Johnny today. We're going to New York. Yeah!
Meron kaming guest.
Yeah!
All the way from the Canada.
And on the way na kami sa train station. Kasi it's not advisable to drive sa New York since mahal ang parking and it's very traffic. We are here sa train station.
Transit Hamilton. Yan o, pwede pang picture yan.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa aming lunch area. Ito yung favorite restaurant namin ni Rans. Kasi they have the best seafood and shrimp na super sarap. Hi! We ordered shrimp and fries with some sauce. How was it?
Init?
Let's try.
Ito yung ano?
Babe,
Yan, may beef sila dito.
sarap. Starters pa lang to, guys. Kapakain ah. Ito na siya, guys. So, we ordered shrimp, clams, and ano yung isa? Snow crab legs. And this is just medium spicy. Oh my god, smells nice. Here's the pasta. Sobrang sarap din ito, guys. Tignan nyo naman.
Sir Pamor, parang dito
Tignan nyo
pa
naman. Panalo to, guys. So, if ever you're gonna go to New York, you must visit this place. Sarap! Snow crab. Snow crab yung in-order mo, di ba?
Opo, yeah.
And this is the clams. So, clams kay Rads, shrimp sa akin, and snow crab kay Jelly. But we're gonna share, of course. Hindi kompleto yan kung walang kanin. Kanin ang importante.
Grabe yung side view, kita yung braso ko.
Panalo dito, guys, ha?
Big brother.
So, ang hirap maglakad kasi gutom na gutom kami kanina. Tapos ngayon, busog na busog kami. Nasobrahan kami ng kain. Ngayon, sa New York, walkathon, diba? Ngayon, ang hirap maglakad. I feel so full. Ayan ang aking asawa na hindi makalakad kasi sobrang busog. Kamusta tiyan mo? Gusto na daw niya matulog. Papunta tayo ngayon ng Central Park. It's like 10 minutes walking simula dun sa kinainan namin kanina. And yung Central Park parang kulang 4 hours mo para malibot mo yung Central Park kasi sobrang laki niya, guys.
Windy. Welcome to New York. Yan ang Central Park, guys.
Pag tinatamad kang maglakad, pwede kang mag-rent ng ganito. Pero they'll ask for like how much? $50?
Yeah.
A lot of food trucks here kung gusto nyo kumain at pag nagugutom kayo. And we're gonna look for a scooter kung pwede tayo mag-rent kasi maganda mag-rent here in Central Park na There's a lot of greenery, super fresh air. Ayan, ang ganda oh. And there's a lot of dogs too! Look at the dogs. So cute! And yun nga, nakakapagod lang talaga maglakad dito. So, most of the families, they spend time here to relax, read books, photo shoot. Ayan o, we're looking for cherry blossoms actually. Medyo hindi pa siya nagbo-bloom kasi hindi pa time of the year para mag-bloom yung cherry blossoms. We're gonna look for a spot kung saan kami pwede mag-photo shoot. Shout out to my husband for being so supportive.
Yes.
Best husband ever, as per him. Look at that! Kapag nasa Central Park kayo, guys, yung amoy niya is parang amoy kabayo kasi ang daming horse dito. Ayan. Look at that. Look at these people. They're just sitting around.
Mamaya sa beach.
Yung pinaka gusto ko talaga dito sa Central Park is nakadami ko nakikitang dogs. Kasi they're so cute. Yung dinadaanan namin is on the way kami sa Met Museum. It's an art museum. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta ni Rans doon. Ang lagi namin pinupuntahan is American Natural Museum. Sana free din kami doon kasi sa American Natural Museum, free kami doon kasi since veteran si Rans sa military, they have this kind of perks. And sa Met, we're not sure yet if free kami. But we'll see. It's our first time, so why not give it a try?
Ito yung kalahati ng Central Park. Since magme-met na tayo.
Love, sayaw! Galing. Is this...
Naligo ka daw dyan, nakakabata eh.
Where?
Oh.
Hindi nga.
Pag ano niya, 1 year old ka ulit eh.
Sama na ako to. Anong wish mo?
Ma-aprobahan na yung petition paper mo.
Ayan, so sobrang laki ng Central Park. Meron silang lake dito. And if you're up for some exercise, ayan, kung first date nyo, tapos gusto nyo mag-getting to know each other, pwede kayo dyan. Yeah, yun nga lang, mapapagod kayo. Gaya ng ginagawa namin ngayon, pagod na kami. Cherry Blossom.
Love you daw, Cherry Blossom.
Ayan, ang PA namin today, trabaho ng asawa ko. It's so nice. There's a lot of artistic people here
Lapit na tayo
in
sa Madrid.
Central Park. We're here sa Met Museum.
Yay!
Naiihina ako. So, if follower kayo nila Heart, and ask her this.
Wow!
Familiar tong place na sa Look at the fountain.
Ayun, damit. Ayun o. Damit. Clothes
No.
na yun eh.
Damit. Nakabili ka naman ng bago mong damit? We're here!
Sky.
Let's go. So, nandito na kami sa subway ngayon.
Nasaan ka, miss?
Substation na naghahanap ng washroom. Wala pa rin bang washroom? Itsura ko, wala na sa mood, guys. Kasi sabi ko kanina pa ako ihi. Tapos yung asawa ko wala man lang ginagawa. Ihi na nga ako. Kanina ko sinasabi sa vlog ito na ihi na ako. Anong masasabi mo
Saan?
sa ginagawa mo sa akin ngayon?
Wala. Tunay na pag-ibig.
Ano yung pag-ibig? We're here.
The Brooklyn Bridge, which has been built by 1847.
1847?
Yeah, by Nathan Brooklyn.
Oh!
Kasi kailangan mo linawin. Ang gusto mo pala yung gumbo shot.
Please bear with me kasi hirapan pa akong gamitin tong Osmo. Like, di ko pa siya master. I'm just figuring it out. Parang yung focus palipat-lipat. But, yeah. We started at 2 and it's already almost 8. And most of our trip is just walking. Sobrang sakit na ng paa ko. I don't know how these two can manage walking so much. How ironic, I'm a flight attendant, so I should be the one na parang sanay sa lakaran, pero I hate walking. Sobrang nakakapagod siya. Mas gusto ko yung nag-Uber. I mean, it's expensive, but if it's for your comfort, I don't mind paying for that. Nahanap na ako ng asawa ko, oh.
Akala ko ikaw yung nasa likod.
Ha?
Akala ko ikaw yung nasa likod.
Hinahanap ako ng asawa ko agad. It's kind of chilly na rin kasi paggabi na and medyo lumalakas na rin yung hangin. So, mahina tayo sa lamig. Let's see. Baka mamaya toyoin na ako. Sakit na lang ng puso ko.
Yes,
Welcome to Brooklyn Beach. Love you.
Kami more.
We're here again.
Ito, nung ginawa to ng 1847, ang ginamit na trusses dito is 8,200 won. Alam mo bakit 8,200
Bakit?
won? Kasi yung won, I don't know.
So, ang daming tourists dito na nagpupunta. Kasi, kung pupunta ka ng New York, it's a must. Brooklyn Bridge, Statue of Liberty, Times Square, the Met, Central Park. Actually, madami kang pwedeng puntahan dito. It's just that if you have a short period of time, you have to maximize kung ano yung mga top priorities mo na kasama sa bucket list.
Ito, nakita niyo yung tawag yan, ba't may parang linya dyan?
Bakit?
Kasi tawag dyan, suspended. So, suspended, nakasuspend yung bridge, ibig sabihin.
So, para saan yun?
Wala siyang support sa baba.
Oh. Nag-stop over kami for some coffee. Okay, we're here in Central Cafe. So, we're gonna try their coffee. Medyo mataas yung standards natin sa kape, guys. Ay, sa hot chocolate pala. Let's see.
Ba't natipid yung coffee? And hot chocolate. Tabang.
Tabang. Okay, matabang daw, guys. We ordered some dessert. Tapos, papahinga muna kami saglit kasi sobrang sakit na ng mga paa namin and may meeting si Jelly. For how many minutes?
Like 30.
30 minutes, yeah. So, rest muna kami here. And then, we're gonna go to Times Square after this.
Pagod na ang asawa ko. Meeting. Busy. Grand Central.
Your attention, please. All luggage and parcels must be attended at all times. Any items left unattended will be removed by and subject to search by the MTA police. Thank you for your cooperation.
Nandito na tayo sa Times Square. And I think it's already 10:30 p.m. So, whole day pa kami naglalakad. And I'm super exhausted na. This is the last stop. And I'm so ready to go home. Pero look at the crowd. It's Saturday night, kaya sobrang dami pa rin tao. Sobrang lamig. And kung piliin, gusto ko na lang nasa loob. It's too cold and there's a lot of people still. As you can see. That's why tinawag tong the city that never sleeps. May mga nasayaw-sayaw pa. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Penn Station. It's time to go home. It's been a long day.